Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic name is fraction. So the first question related to this topic is we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. As you see, question number 1 is 5 whole 6 upon 7. So we have to convert this into improper fraction. Firstly, we have to make a is equals to sign for the step. Then we have to write a 7 in the denominator and 7 5s are 35. Okay, 35. We have to multiply these two numbers and then add this number 6. So it's become 35 plus 6, it's 41 upon 7. So we convert it into a mixed fraction to improper fraction. So the second part is 10 whole 3 upon 5. Again there is a mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So again we have to multiply these numbers and add this. So in the denominator we have to write 5 because 5 is here, and then 5 tens are 50 and then add 3. So the answer will be 53 upon 5. So it's converted from mixed fraction to improper fraction. So moving towards the part 3. So another question we are making for you, it's 2 whole 3 upon 4. So we have to solve it quickly. So again in the denominator we have to write 4 and 4 twos are 8, and then it will be plus by 3. So what will be the answer? Very easy, 8 plus 3 is 11 and the denominator is 4. When we talk about fourth part, we taking our big numbers 10, 20 and 30. So it will be little bit difficult for you but not for me. 30 tens are 300. So we put 300 here plus 20 here, and it should be divided by 30. So answer will be 320 divided by 30. And when we got this answer, we can also simplify it. So the answer will be 32 upon 3 by cancelling these two 0. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you like my video, please share your comments in your comment section. Allah Hafiz.